Hello, and welcome to Session 3 Supporting and Troubleshooting Computing Problems. In this session, we will focus on how to support and troubleshoot computing problems effectively. You will explore the processes involved in installing both client and server operating systems independently, demonstrating technical competence and confidence in system setup. We will also examine how structured hardware assembly and operating system configuration contribute to reliable system functionality. These practices reflect the professional IT standards and methodologies applied across the industry and align with the expectations and practices used at UKversity. Troubleshooting requires a structured approach. Start by identifying the problem through user reports or system monitoring. Use diagnostic tools to find the root cause. Test solutions like restarting services or updating drivers. Finally, document the process to prevent future issues. Computing issues often stem from hardware faults, like damaged cables. Network problems can include IP conflicts or DNS errors. Software issues might involve corrupted files or incompatible updates. User errors, such as misconfigurations, are also common. Understanding the source is key to effective troubleshooting. Various tools aid in identifying and resolving issues. Command line utilities help diagnose network problems. Network analyzers monitor traffic for bottlenecks. Remote monitoring software allows proactive issue detection. System logs provide clues to underlying faults. Helpdesk systems track user reports efficiently. Troubleshooting isn't just reactive, it includes preventive measures. Regular updates and backups maintain performance. Strong security protocols and user education reduce risks. Monitoring network usage helps prevent issues. These practices ensure system reliability and efficiency. Effective communication is vital in technical support. Clear explanations help users understand solutions. Documenting each step maintains service records. It improves response times for recurring issues. This aspect is often overlooked but crucial for support success. Computers use binary, consisting of zeros and ones. Other systems like decimal, octal, and hexadecimal are used in programming. Understanding these is crucial for network configurations. They help manage storage and diagnose hardware issues. This knowledge is foundational for troubleshooting. Networking connects computers and devices. Key components include routers, switches, and network cards. Understanding bandwidth and latency is essential. Knowledge of IP addressing and DNS is crucial. These fundamentals ensure network connectivity and performance. Data travels through physical or wireless media. Wired media includes Ethernet and fiber optics. Wireless media uses radio waves and microwaves. Topologies define device layouts, like star or mesh. Understanding these helps troubleshoot connections and optimize networks. The OSI model provides a 7-layer framework. It ranges from physical hardware to application interfaces. The TCP/IP model simplifies communication into 4 layers. Identifying the problem layer aids in troubleshooting. Protocols like TCP/IP and DNS ensure data transmission. Protocols define data transmission rules. TCP/IP ensures reliable delivery. HTTP/HTTPS is used for web access. FTP/SOTP handles file transfers. Understanding these protocols aids in network configuration and troubleshooting. Assembling a PC involves combining hardware and software. It requires knowledge of networking fundamentals. Understanding numbering systems aids in diagnosing issues. Proper configuration ensures system functionality. Troubleshooting skills are essential for resolving technical problems. Begin by preparing a clean, static-free workspace. Install the motherboard and connect the CPU. Insert RAM and storage drives securely. Connect the power supply to all components. Double-check connections before powering on the system. Boot from the installation media, like a USB drive. Partition and format the drive for the OS. Follow setup instructions to install the system. Install necessary drivers and updates. This ensures optimal performance and security. Choose the server edition during installation. Assign a static IP for network consistency. Configure roles like Active Directory and DNS. Ensure remote desktop is enabled for administration. This setup supports client-server communication. Verify connectivity by pinging the server. Join clients to the server domain. Test file sharing and internet access. Resolve issues by checking IP settings or cables. This ensures a fully functional network environment. A server acts as the domain controller. It manages user accounts and network resources. DHCP assigns IP addresses to clients. DNS translates domain names to IPs. This setup ensures seamless communication. DHCP assigns IPs automatically to clients. DNS translates domain names for easy access. Active Directory manages user authentication. Clients gain access to resources based on permissions. This flow ensures efficient network operations. The client receives network details from DHCP. It queries DNS to locate the domain controller. The domain controller verifies credentials. The user accesses resources based on permissions. This process supports secure network access. DHCP automates IP allocation for clients. DNS ensures reliable name resolution. Active Directory manages authentication and resources. Together, they create a scalable network environment. This setup is essential for professional intranets. Supporting and troubleshooting computing problems requires technical expertise and communication. By applying structured methods and using diagnostic tools, systems remain reliable. These skills are vital for ensuring uninterrupted service in modern networks. 02030405. Session summary and closing. In this session, we explored the fundamentals of computer and network troubleshooting. We covered key skills for identifying, supporting, and resolving computing issues, from understanding basic numbering systems to managing network protocols, all aimed at keeping systems running efficiently and reliably. Thank you for your attention today. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via WhatsApp at 07000 484 361,688. Thank you, and see you soon.